Welcome back. You're tuned into News Now, and keeping the last phase of Lok Sabha elections in mind, my colleague Amandeep Dixit from Times Network is standing by to give us the latest coming in from Punjab.
Well, absolutely, Ankita. Till 11 a.m., 23% poll has been casted in the state of Punjab entirely, and in fact, this seems to be like the lowest turnout so far. Just because in 2019, almost 65% polls has been casted in the entire election in the state of Punjab. But yes, heat wave is beating somewhere the voters, and in fact, Election Commission is trying to push all the voters to come out and cast the vote with all kind of arrangements at the polling stations as well. They are providing all the water facilities, the food facilities, and installing the tents to voters to stand in the shades, and in fact they are also providing all kind of facilities to hydrate the voters so that at least the polling percentage can reach and touch 70%. And till 6 p.m. they are expecting that the polling percentage might enhance. But on the other side, all political parties and candidates also, they are appealing the voters to come out to vote and to cast their votes. And in fact, the Punjab is the one who is witnessing a very different position in the Indie bloc, where Congress and Aam Aadmi Party is contesting head-on each other. Some of the key seats, including Bathinda, from where former Union Minister Harsimrat Kaur Badal and three-time MP is contesting from Shomni Akali Dal, and this is the first time that she is contesting separately from NDA. Earlier in 2019, she contested along with the BJP, but this time BJP's Parampal Kaur Sidhu, she is also Akali Bahu, and she is contesting in front of Harsimrat Kaur Badal as well. So quite interesting fight here on the ground of Bathinda. And simultaneously, Jalandhar, Patiala and Amritsar, these are the key seats where the high profile candidates have been launched by all political parties. And in fact, simultaneously, the Election Commission has deployed almost 70,000 cops, including the paramilitary forces, just because Punjab is always known for this law and order uncertainty. And in fact, this is what they are apprehending, that on the date of polling, that law and order might not challenged by any kind of uncertainty. So that is the reason. Paramilitary has also been deployed. 70,000 cops has also been deployed on the ground to maintain the peace and calm at the polling stations and different parts of the states as well. 2 crore 14 lakh voters have to decide the fate of all the candidates in 13 seats. And in fact, let's wait and watch what the voter will turn out. Just because Punjab is dominated by the local issues only, there was no such national issue that highlighted from the political stages, and all the political parties and candidates, they are pressing on the local issues as well, including drugs, men's law and order situations, unemployment, and even Aam Aadmi Party is trying to cater the vote on for providing the free electricity in the state after coming into the power. So certain kind of interesting factors, and just because Punjab is a minority ruled state, and that is the reason certain kind of issues has been taken up by the several political parties. But yes, BJP is also claiming to come up big in this Lok Sabha election after getting separated from their ally Shomni Akali Dal, and they are fighting all 13 seats. And in fact, Shomni Akali Dal is also claiming some big victories in this Lok Sabha elections, though Congress and Aam Aadmi Party is head-on collision with each other, and they are speaking and campaigning against each other. So this is the interesting part of this election, but let's wait and watch what will come out. First eye on that how much voter turnout will come up by 6 p.m. and then let's wait and watch what the results will come up.
Absolutely, yes. Amandeep, all eyes on that. In fact, all eyes on the exit poll in the evening. But thank you so much for joining us with that lowdown. But with that, it's a wrap on this edition of News Now. I'll take your leave. Thank you so much for tuning in.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.